DeKalb County School workers were handed a victory in court today.
The state Supreme Court ruled the county breached an agreement to give workers 2 years notice before suspending contributions to their retirement accounts. The school board voted to temporarily suspend contributions in 2009 after the recession hit and the government announced a 3% cut to all funding for all Georgia schools. The district says it made the decision in order to avoid cutting hundreds of jobs and closing some school programs. Before district employees sued, they argued the move breached the district's agreement to give workers 2 years notice if they made such a move.
The DeKalb Superior Court initially ruled in the district's favor, but a court of appeals reversed the decision, and the state Supreme Court upheld the reversal in its ruling today.
So late this afternoon, the district released a statement expressing its disappointment. It went on to say the decision today may de-incentivize public employees from creating employee benefit plans in the first place. That would be a disadvantage not only to public employers in the state who are seeking to attract the most qualified candidates, but also the very employees this lawsuit seeks to represent.